Welcome to 13.2, Angles and Angle Measure. We're going to identify coterminal angles today. So to start, on a coordinate plane, an angle may be generated by rotating one of two rays that share a fixed endpoint at the origin. One ray, known as the initial side of the angle, is fixed along the positive x-axis. So it starts at the origin and goes to the right. The other ray, known as the terminal side of the angle, can rotate about the center. An angle positioned so that its vertex is at the origin and its initial side is along the positive x-axis is called to be in standard position. So if the measure of an angle is positive, then the rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is counterclockwise. So say if it's 30 degrees, we go to the left 30 degrees. If the measure of the angle is negative, then the rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is clockwise. So if it's negative 30 degrees, we go to the right 30 degrees. Alright, so draw each angle in standard position on the coordinate planes below. So 45 degrees. So we start at the origin and draw a ray going to the right. Then we open at 45 degrees, which is halfway to the y-axis. And then we draw an arc, and that is our 45 degree angle. 240 degrees starts at the origin, goes to the right, then it opens up past 180 and goes 60 degrees further past that 180 and creates a 240 degree angle. So it looks just like that. Next one is negative 30, negative meaning it goes to the right, so it just starts at the normal position and goes to the right 30 degrees. Negative 360 degrees starts at the normal position, goes to the right all the way around the full circle and ends up back at the starting position. So the rays are actually on themselves. Creates the full circle angle. A full rotation around a circle is 360 degrees, so measures of more than 360 represent multiple rotations. So 400 degrees is 40 degrees past 360. So we're going to open up, go full circle, and then go 40 degrees more. We're going to the left because it's positive, so it opens to the left, it goes a full circle, and then 40 degrees more. And it creates the angle that's 40 degrees. 450 is 90 degrees past. It's negative, so it's going to the right. So it goes full circle, then 90 degrees more, creates that 90 degree angle there. Okay, so that's negative 450 degrees. Positive 720 is 360 degrees beyond. That means it's full two full rotations, ending up back at the original ray. And it's positive, so it's going to the left. And it does, again, two full rotations. 670 does the two full rotations like it shows right there, creating a 310 degree angle on the outside. Alright, two angles in standard position are called coterminal angles. If they have the same terminal side, just add, subtract any multiple of 360 to find a coterminal angle. So to find a positive and a negative coterminal angle, 450 degrees is one rotation and some, so we're going to subtract 360 to find that the original angle is 90 degrees. To find the negative one, we're going to do 90 minus 360 to find negative 270 degrees. So these are all coterminal angles. 221 is not a full rotation, so we're going to actually add 360 to find the full rotation. Plus some is 581 degrees. And then to find the negative one, we subtract 360 from 221 to find negative 139 degrees. For 86, this is again not a full rotation. We're going to add 360 to get 446 degrees. And then we're going to subtract 360 to get negative 274 degrees. Our last one is a full rotation, so we're going to subtract 360 first to find the original. Is 140, and then we're going to subtract 360 again to get the negative is negative 120. Alright, that is it for 13.2 day 1. We'll talk about coterminal angles a little bit more tomorrow. Good luck on the practice.